In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a metric sheet in Smartsheet. First, open your browser and head to smartsheet.com, then sign into your account. This brings you to the Smartsheet home area. A quick tip before we start, make sure you already know which sheets or reports contain the numbers you want to summarize. A metric sheet works best when it pulls clean, consistent data from a reliable source. Next, navigate to your workspace. Workspaces are ideal for keeping your metrics organized and shared with the right people, since permissions and ownership are managed centrally. Choose the workspace where this metric sheet should live so your team can access it later without extra steps. Now look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the plus icon. This is the Create action in Smartsheet. It's where you add new items like sheets, reports, and dashboards. Using the plus icon here ensures your new metrics item is created directly inside the workspace you just opened, keeping everything tidy and permissioned correctly. From the creation options, click Metric. This opens the metrics experience designed to display key numbers at a glance. Think of it as a polished way to surface totals, counts, averages, or any high-value KPI your stakeholders care about. If prompted, give your metrics item a clear name that matches its purpose, so it's easy to find later. With the metrics container open, it's time to add data. Select your data source, which can be an existing sheet, a report, or specific ranges and fields such as sheet summary values. Choose the exact columns, ranges, or fields that hold the numbers you need, and apply any necessary functions like sum, count, or average. Add labels that explain what each value represents and format the results to match your needs, such as currency, percent, or whole numbers. Keep your metric definition simple and consistent, and if possible, rely on stable column names so your metrics don't break when the underlying sheets evolve. If your data refreshes frequently, consider pointing to reports or summary fields that update automatically. When everything looks right, click Save. Saving locks in your new metrics item inside the workspace so collaborators with access can view or use it immediately. You can come back at any time to edit the data selections, change formatting, or add more metrics as your tracking needs grow. If you share the workspace with your team, make sure they have at least viewer permissions so they can see the results. And that's it. Your Smartsheet metrics sheet is ready to showcase your most important numbers clearly and reliably.